किया रफ़त की लज्जत से न दिल को आशना तूने, गुजारी उम्र पस्ती में मिसाले नक्शे पा तूने. You have not introduced yourself to height. You don't have any vision. You don't want to move up. You want to stay where you are. Your life is nothing but the footprints. That's how low you are. And you have lost all your desire to go up. रहा दिल बस्ताए महफिल मगर अपनी निगाहों को किया बैरून महफिल से न हैरत आशना तूने. You remained within your close circle. You remained within your friends and your mohalla and your family. You had no desire to move out and look at this vast universe that Allah has created for you. You did not go and venture out into other cultures to see how other people work, to see how other people have become so successful. So, in other words, he is asking you to go out and meet new people and see new cultures. फिदा करता रहा दिल को हसीनों की अदाओं पर, मगर देखी न आईने में अपनी अदा तूने. You've been looking at the material things around you. You've been looking at new trends, the trendsetters, the influencers. You've been looking at blogs. You've been going window shopping. You're looking at ads. You've been buying things, but you have not looked at your own self and realized how powerful and beautiful of a creature Allah has made you. You need to look within yourself and find your own beauty and find your own worth. तासुब छोड़ नादा दहर के आईना खाने में, ये तस्वीरें हैं तेरी जिनको समझा है बुरा तूने. Don't be jealous. Don't have animosity. Don't feel bad about you. All the people around you are nothing but your reflection. When you see somebody, think of them as your own self. This is something that you must understand, that other people, the other Muslims around you are just like you. Love them the way you love yourself. We will discuss the remaining in next part. Thank you.